how to like get stuff, how to unlock stuff, how to buy stuff, like how to get in there, how to get the thing in there. So let's start off by showing you how to buy stuff. Stores like are up here. Also, so like bananas are up there. So let's just say you want to buy this. You know, buy it. Like you have to click it twice because the game's still in development, I think. So that's how it's going on. So buy it, and then you would. Actually, let's do something I already have. Sorry, guys. Oh yeah. So if you want to get like this, for example, you would press it twice, like I said. Go down here. You would equip it, which I won't equip it right now. And so that's basically how to buy stuff. But also, if you want to get let me show you something. Let me show you. Basically, if you want to like get, let's just say, speed boost, actually scale to do this bigger or not. Also, you want to use scale to get in here. Easy. Just saying. So you would go in here. And you would go up here, and you can get whatever you want. I'm not like speed boost, gravity flip. Personally, my favorite. Color switch was pretty boring. Scale, third person, no gravity. Finally, dash. But if you're don't have bananas, silly body or bouncy body, which that makes you slide. This makes you jump. Spell. And they're having a collab with Monkey See, Monkey Doo Doo. Doesn't get poop. Okay. So now I'm going to show you how to where are some of the rockables that I'm having trouble with. Like the ones that I had trouble with at least. So so you see that book? So if you see that bookshelf over there, you want to buy a book somewhere. It look like this, and then you will go up there, and I can't remember where I'm supposed to put it. This, I put it somewhere. I don't think it'll work for me. Well, okay. And then you open this up. Yeah, they would have like a little monkey thing wrapped around your hand. And what's the other one I had trouble with? Oh yeah, I have no perfect one I had trouble with. It was the mailbox. Mailbox for me at least. I know if you're watching this, you already know everything. Sorry. You would go like there's a sewer and you see a vent. It would be very hard to get into. But just go up here. Oh, so I'll just show you how to get the mailbox too while I'm up here. Also, if someone puts like a lantern right, you're supposed to put a lantern right here. This part right here will open up. You'll be able to go through it, and you'll be able to get like a torch, I think. I don't know. So go to forest. Alright, I'll show you some ahead. Move so fair, so I can make myself go tree faster. I'll show you the tree one first. So let's take up here. Also, if you have trouble, just like trigger buttons or any buttons that makes you like, only these two buttons. Oh, the bottom trigger. You know, It's right under the trigger. So it's like right over here. So come up this tree, go over here. There's this bridge. It's like over here. Open it up and I'd be able to get a mushroom, which is not even my favorite, but it's okay. So if you go in here, it's just mailbox right. If you find a mailbox, I think it's like touch it, click it, and you open it up, and you'll be able to get a mailbox. And so you can run people's houses and just like, oh wait, oh yeah, in here too, you'll be able to get a. Huh? I don't think you'll be able to get anything. Can't remember. Yep, you'll be able to get Granddad's feet picture. So oh yeah, duh. Sorry guys. The other folks one. It's one of the dogs. If you can hear him. Oh, it's over here. So, again, sorry. You would can't remember the vent. Oh, the vent's right there. That's fine. Go down here. Yeah, boom. Boom. Go in here. Oh wait, sorry guys. Past it. You would right here. You'll be able to get like a torch. You'll get a torch. If we go down in here, can't go back in there. Here's hello. Look at his beautiful face. Beautiful face. So basically it. In the next video, I'll be showing you like I'll show you like the powers that I have and what they do. So bye guys.